everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Roku remote back up to the device if it disconnected. And this is actually rather easy to do. So on my version of the remote, all I have to do is press the home button and the back button and it'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You might have like a reset button somewhere around here or something like that. You can just press that and hold it down and it should reset the remote. But for mine, without the button, just press the back and the home button and this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see the light flashing now right there. It should connect back up. What you can also do is take out the batteries, remove the batteries from the remote, and then also reset your Roku. There is a little reset button. Otherwise you can just unplug it from the wall outlet. So I'm going to just hit that button, then take out the batteries right here. And then when the Roku device actually restarts, I'm going to put these batteries back in, then see if it connects, and then I can do the pairing and syncing button combination right here. See if I can get it to reconnect back up to the device if it's not. So just try a couple different combinations and it should eventually reconnect. Just make sure you're close enough and you're within range. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.